Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is using the distance formula. Let's get started and see how distance formula can be used to find the distance between 2 points. The first question says solve. Find the measure of the line segment going from we given two set of points negative 2 comma 1 to negative 3 comma negative 2. Now what the distance formula is, the distance d between 2 points is given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared, where x2 x1 y2 y1 are the coordinates given to us. In the given question we are given two set of points negative 2 comma 1. This would form x1, this is y1, while the second set of point is negative 3 comma negative 2. This is x2 and this is y2. All we need to do is plug in the values in the formula, that is the distance formula mentioned here. So measure of the line segment equals to x2 is negative 3 minus x1 is negative 2 whole squared plus y2 is negative 2, y1 is 1. So we solve this now. This is negative 3, negative times negative is a positive whole squared, plus negative 2 minus 1 is a negative 3 squared. This is equal to negative 3 plus 2 is a negative 1 squared plus negative 3 squared. This is equal to negative 1 squared is a positive 1 plus negative 3 squared is a positive 9. So this is square root of 10. Using a calculator we can find out square root of 10. This is equal to 3.16. This can be seen in option D. Let's try the next question. Solve. Find the measure of the line segment going from 1 comma 1 to negative 3 comma negative 4. So here x1 is 1, y1 is also 1, x2 is negative 3, while y2 is negative 4. Our distance or the distance formula is given by x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. So all you need to do is plug in the values. X2 is negative 3 minus x1 is 1 whole squared plus y2 is negative 4 minus 1, all under the square root. This is equal to square root of negative 3 minus 1 is a negative 4 squared plus negative 4 minus 1 is a negative 5 squared. This is equal to negative 4 square is a positive 16, while negative 5 square is a positive 25. 16 plus 25 is square root of 41. We using calculator we find out the value of square root of 41 equals to 6.4. This is the final answer, can be seen in option D. Let's try another question. Given w equals to negative 3 comma 4 and coordinates of b equals to 5 comma 4, find wb. That is, you have to find out the distance between w and b, or the measure of the line segment. This is given by the distance formula. wb equals to x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. Our x1 equals to negative 3, y1 equals 4, x2 equals to 5, and y2 equals to 4. We need to plug in the values. x2 is 5 minus negative 3 whole squared plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is also 4 whole squared. This is equals to square root of negative time negative is a positive, so 5 plus 3 whole squared. 4 minus 4 is a 0. 0 squared is nothing but only 0. This is equals to 8 squared, which is equals to square root of 64, and square root of 64 is nothing but 8 again. So this is the final answer, can be seen in option A. Let's do another question. Solve given y equals to negative 6 comma 19, that is our x1 is negative 6 while our y1 is 19, and r equals to 6 comma 8, so x2 is 6 and y2 is 8. Find yr. Yr is the distance between the 2 points. This is given by the formula x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. Now all we need to do is plug in the values. x2 is 6 minus negative 6 whole squared plus y2 is 8 minus 19 whole squared. So this is equals to 6 negatives times negative is a positive 6. 8 minus 19 is a negative 11 squared. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 squared is 144 plus negative 11 squared is a positive 121. So 144 plus 121 is equals to 265. Using a calculator we find out the square root of 265. This is equals to 16.28 is the final answer, can be seen in option B. Let's try one more question. Solve, find the length of the segment from negative 3 comma negative 3 to negative 2 comma negative 5. So length of the segment, that is the distance between the 2 points, is given by the formula. Now we know very well, x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. Our values of x1 equals to negative 3, y1 also equals to negative 3, x2 equals to negative 2, while y2 equals to negative 5. Very carefully we plug in the values. x2 is negative 2 minus negative 3 whole squared plus y2 is negative 5 minus negative 3 whole squared. This is equals to negative 2, negative times negative is a positive 3 whole squared plus negative 5, negative times negative is a positive 3 whole squared. This is equals to negative 2 plus 3 is a 1 squared plus negative 5 plus 3 is a negative 2 squared. 1 squared is 1 while negative 2 squared is a positive 4 square root. This is equals to square root of 5. Square root of 5 when found in the calculator is equals to 2.24. This is the final answer, can be seen in option B. I hope using the distance formula is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.